Immobiliser fit, and this is a Range Rover SV Autobiography with a Starline Pro. So a thief does a relay attack on this key, tries to steal the vehicle, they start it up. When they put it into gear, the vehicle switches off. They're unable to drive it away. So the customer can either go for a push sequence, which is the most common one people see. Start it up, 1, 2, 3 we have set. We get a disarm tone, now we can select our gear and the vehicle remains running. Some people don't like push sequences, so this one pairs to the phone. So we turn the customer's Bluetooth on their connected phone, start the vehicle up, hit that disarm tone straight away because it's done it through Bluetooth, no need to do the code. Vehicle goes into gear. This system, you can set up your own push sequence. The way you do that is first disarm it, so we'll turn the ignition on. It disarms through the customer's phone, as you've heard. If not, you put the push sequence in that you've set. We'll now press one of these buttons 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the ignition off and back on. We'll get 5 bleeps. And we'll just change the code. So 1, 2, 3. Wait for a confirmation. And one more time. 1, 2, 3. Customer can set anything from 3 to 21 presses in any order they like. Totally up to them. Once they get their double bleep for the second time, they can turn the vehicle off, and that's the code set. So we'll now turn the customer's Bluetooth off. So this is like the phone has gone flat. We've obviously now changed the code. So we'll start the vehicle up, pop the new code in, 1, 2, 3. Get a confirmation, select our gear, and we can drive the vehicle away. To get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is a Starline Pro Immobiliser on a SV Autobiography Range Rover Vogue. Thanks for watching.